Hey guys, my name is Tiana. I am Art Director at Shimba Concept Salon and I am going to tell you about Oribe Royal Blowout. Oribe Royal Blowout is a heat protecting styling spray. This doesn't have any hold, however it does have maximum protection. It is going to protect you against both heat and UV, therefore you'll be protected against all of your hot tools as well as the sun. This is designed to cut drying time down as well as smooth and protect the hair. The lightweight mist is designed to go on damp hair and then dried and blow waved in. This is going to protect you against all styling heat products and then leaving your hair feel lightweight and smoother than ever. One of its main ingredients is argan oil. So a little pro tip, when you are spraying it in your bathroom, be careful of tiled surfaces because it can become slippery.